Today we got a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Dispute Over Bugs Ends Violently." Oof.
He stabbed me, the son of a bitch. And then he said, when he comes back, he's gonna kill me.
Can you put me this down, please? Can you put me this down?
I'm not pulling your pants down.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm a felon. I can't have a gun. But I'm gonna get a gun. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna defend myself. I'm not gonna die.
Please, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
A Florida resident calls 911, reporting that he's been stabbed. As deputies search for the suspect and speak to the injured man, they'll soon uncover more layers to this startling conflict.
Look, he put bugs in my bed.
I said, here's some bug spray.
The following report is based on police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.
Claims advising that the suspect does not get out of the house, he will have a dead body.
Away!
When deputies finally arrive at the Boynton Beach address, the suspect is no longer at the scene, but that's of little comfort to 65-year-old Matthew, who tells deputies he was attacked.
I want him out of here.
Okay.
I want him out of here, or he's gonna be dead.
So he's your roommate.
He's not my roommate anymore. He was supposed to leave.
Okay.
He said when he comes back, he's gonna kill me.
Dispatchers send more information to the deputies, who are still casting a fairly wide net for their missing suspect.
Flashing headed toward Florence Road on a blue Husky bike.
Hey! Stop right there! Yeah, you're good, man.
All right. You need units at the scene, and we need a perimeter.
At this point, the deputies are looking for 23-year-old Jordan E. Diaz Velasquez, but they only have his name and Matthew's description of what he claims was a violent altercation.
Does this brother look like a Velasquez? Hold on. Let's run it back. Damn, my brother just going for a bike ride, man.
Bike.
Hey! Stop right there! Yeah, you're good, man.
He could go for a little Hispanic descent. He ain't got like, he got like that amaretto skin. You know what I'm saying? He ain't got, like me, I got that peanut butter chocolate. You know what I'm saying? We got peanut butter chocolate. We got peanut butter chocolate. We got caramel. You got dark chocolate. You know, he got like a amaretto skin tone. You know what I'm saying? He got that amaretto skin, so he could pass for like a Dominican or something. I was wrong. I was wrong.
Suspect.
Flashing headed toward Florence Road on a blue Husky bike.
Hey! Stop right there! Yeah, you're good, man.
All right. You need units at the scene, and we need a perimeter.
At this point, the deputies are looking for 23-year-old Jordan E. Diaz Velasquez, but they only have his name and Matthew's description of what he claims was a violent altercation.
See, when he went to jab me, I turned like this and he scraped me.
And nobody else is in the house, right?
No, and he punched me in the face. I'm not supposed to have a gun. I'm a felon, okay? But I'm telling you,
I
if
understand.
he comes to me, I'm gonna shoot him. I am gonna shoot and defend myself.
But you don't have a gun.
I'm not supposed to.
Right. But you don't have a gun.
No, I don't have a gun.
Meanwhile, a deputy locates the suspect less than a mile from Matthew's house.
You gonna tell me what happened?
Were you in a fight?
No.
You
What
Jordan?
fight?
Are you Jordan Diaz?
See, but what fight? What fight? What fight? I go to Walmart to buy something.
You go to Walmart?
Yeah. Damn, bro.
Did you get into a fight
No. What fight?
with your roommate? You Jordan Diaz?
Yes, but what fight?
Okay.
Did he do this guy called the police? You know why?
Why?
Because I don't pay the rent.
Okay.
There are clearly two different versions of what went down this morning, and Jordan's story includes a bizarre element that police will hear much more about before the morning is through.
Bro, he do a lot to me. He put bots in my room. He put bots in my room. Look my hair. Look my face. I don't fight him.
But that isn't what Matthew says.
He stabbed me, the son of a He cut me over here. I backed up, but he cut me, and he punched me in the face 5 times. He punched holes in the walls.
Damn, bro.
Well, sit up. Listen,
What?
We're investigating the incident that happened over there, all right? Jordan Diaz, right?
Yes, but no.
Identification? You have that ID?
I don't got my ID in my phone.
You have a roommate? You were with a
No,
roommate?
no roommate. It's
No?
the boss,
The boss?
the guy of the house. But no fight.
Okay, you're being detained right now, pending our investigation.
Bro, I'm go to jail.
If you committed a crime, you're gonna go.
What that mean?
Stand by.
Can I use my vape, please?
No, you're not gonna use any vapes right now. Hey, let's do another thorough pat down of him.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah.
That's probably the suspect knife right there.
Yeah. That's a knife. Everybody got knife.
That's possibly it.
That's personal defense. For personal defense.
Do you want to press charges?
531
I
charge.
have to. The guy can't stay here.
Which unit do I have going to 217?
I'm gonna kill him. I'm a felon. I can't have a gun.
Okay.
But I'm gonna get a gun. I'm gonna kill him. If he attacks me,
Okay.
I'm gonna defend myself. I'm not gonna die.
Do you need EMS?
No.
At the other end, the deputies struggle to communicate with Jordany.
Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yeah, Papa.
No?
Can I read it, me?
You want to read
Can
it?
I see it? Oh, because you go to ask me something or
Yeah, well, see if you want to talk to me. Do you want to talk to me about what happened?
I talked to that guy. The another guy. I'm talking to him.
You didn't get in a fight with that guy? Nothing?
No.
No?
No.
How do you get the cuts on his belly?
That's for personal defense. That's everything.
That's everything.
Yes.
Okay. You
You
don't know
guys-
nothing. You don't know.
No what?
Did you punch him?
No.
No?
He entered to my room
He entered into your room?
Yes.
Well, why didn't you stay there and tell us? Why'd you leave?
because I go to Walmart to buy food. I go talking to him.
Oh, okay.
He do this because I can't pay my rent.
He's
That's
doing
it.
this because you can't pay your rent.
Yes.
Okay. You're going to jail today for aggravated battery.
Who?
You.
Why?
Because you stabbed him.
What is that then?
Right here.
Me punch it?
Yeah.
To him?
Yeah.
He can say whatever he can say.
Well, you had the knife. We saw the knife.
Yeah. Check if he got blood. Check.
See, I don't know if you ain't got a lot of if you not tapped in with like Hispanics and stuff like that, and listen, I'm gonna teach you something right now, right? Hispanics, they get down with them knives, boy. They get like, pretty much in all right, in the black community, it's more like guns and stuff like that, right? In the Hispanic community, they with the razor blades, they with the knives, stuff like that. Like, that's how they give it up. Like, they'll have a razor in their cheek, and you get in an argument with them, they'll spit it out, cut you up. Doo-doo-doo-doo. How you looking crazy? You know what I'm saying? How you looking like shredded cheese? You feel me? See, now the guns, that'll have you looking like Swiss cheese. You know what I'm saying? Put them holes in you. You see what I'm saying? But them blade, you see how he had one on him. So it's not like, a gun, not everybody could get that. You know what I mean? So, everyone could, but like not everyone can legally. You know what I mean? Where a knife is like, you could go anywhere, Bass Pro Shop, go anywhere, like Walmart, anybody could go buy one of those. You know what I mean? So, and they're small. You know what I'm saying? If you have a smaller one that's small or whatever, conceal it or whatever. If they get into a problem, they just go and keep it pushing. You feel me? Because that's easy to get rid of. Where bullets, you got the casing and stuff like that. It could be identified to what particular gun it is and this and that. Like, if you get caught with the gun, it's like they can match, the marks that it leaves on the casing and all. Like, it's just it's a mess. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could really get caught up with that. But you get that knife, whatever, man, they going and keep it pushing. And and then when I was working in corrections, that's the number one way of, You know, obviously, because they're not getting guns in there or nothing like that. But you know, that's how they get crazy with the razor blades. You know, or they make shanks. You know, where there might be an old piece of metal that they probably took off a cell or something, you know, or a piece of metal that was on the bed or anything like that or whatever, and then they shave it down and they make it into a makeshift weapon or whatever. And it could be, you know, like I got a toothpick here, but imagine if this was like a small metal piece or whatever. It'd be like thick, and then all they do is like shave it down against like concrete or whatever, maybe when they go to the yard or something like that. And then they would have like a small little thing like this, right? And something as small as this can do you up crazy, and it could jack you up. You know what I mean? And you don't know who got it. You know, who got something as small as this. Same with knives and stuff like that. A gun is big. You know what I'm saying? It's, you know, a razor blade or a small little knife or something like that. It's small. And by the time you done got hit up, it's already over with. But yeah, that's how them Hispanics get down though. I ain't gonna lie. They get down with them knives and them razor blades. Oh yeah.
Check if he got something. No got nothing.
He bangs on my door, screaming and yelling. He says, look at my legs, look at my arms, look in the room.
Look my hair. Look, can you put me this down, please? Can you put me this down?
Well, I'm not going to pull that down, yeah.
No, this is a pants. Please. Can you put it to see my...
I'm not pulling your pants down.
Look, that's butts.
When he's screaming, I'm telling him, calm down, what's wrong? He says, there's holes in the walls, there's bugs everywhere. He says, you did it on purpose because you're a got in my face. I backed away. I said, don't put your hands on me. I said, here's some bug spray. He sprayed it, he said it's water. He sprayed it in my face.
Okay.
He puts in my bed. That's...
Put them in your bed?
Yes. In my room. In my room.
Do they come in? They come in through the holes?
Yes. And when I go outside, when I come back, it's more. How? It's only me and him.
I don't know.
Exactly.
I don't know how it works with those bugs.
According to Matthew, there may be another reason for Jordan's obsession with bugs. Please note that the truth of his allegation has not been verified and only reflects Matthew's opinion.
I believe he's using drugs, cocaine. I caught him once using it. So I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it.
While deputies find some items in Jordan's backpack, none of them directly connect to Matthew's accusations.
And then he got in my face. I said, listen, if you touch me, you're going to prison. I'm over 60 years old.
Okay.
That's the law in Florida, I think.
Military.
And he punched me in the face. I backed up. He punched me 2 or 3 more times.
Okay.
When I turned to walk away, he jabbed me with the knife.
So the punch to the face would normally be simple battery. However, because you're 65, it's enhanced to a felony. It's a 3rd-degree felony. And then that's aggravated battery. That is also a felony.
I'm arrested?
Probably.
Señor, si estás ahí, sabes que no hice nada malo. Tell me why I go to jail. Tell me why.
Aggravated battery or assault.
Why? To who? You do with this to who?
To the old guy.
No, I don't do nothing on that.
The deputy who's investigating this is gonna talk to you, okay?
Sir, I don't do nothing. Damn, bro, why you do that to me?
It's not long before Jordan's distress turns into panic.
Please, me estoy muriendo de calor. Me está dando algo. Please, I can breathe. I can breathe.
All right, we believe we have the guy that stabbed you. Yeah. We need to confirm that. So they're going to put you in their car, drive you over there. Right?
He's not going to see me.
No, you're going to be in the car.
Yeah, that's it. All right.
As the deputies drive Matthew back to his house, he pushes them to the edge of their patience.
Now, suppose he comes back slamming on that door.
Call 911.
And what if he gets in?
Call 911.
Nothing.
Push.
What about when he comes back?
Well, are you going to get an injunction against him so he can't live here no more?
I don't have
like
a
no
right
contact
to get
order.
anywhere.
He still legally lives here.
So I'm supposed to let him in?
If he still legally lives here.
I'm not letting him in. I'm not letting him in.
So I'm going to do what's basic. We're going to do basically an official statement with you. Okay? All right?
By restraining order. Can't do that.
Can you focus for like 10 minutes, please?
You can't take the stuff out while he's here?
No. We're not doing that.
If police are growing weary of Matthew, things aren't going any better with Jordany.
Why not? Why not? Relax.
No, I can't breathe. Give me this. This. I don't go to nowhere. I got this. I go to nowhere. Bro, I don't do nothing of that. She only do this because I can't pay the rent. I don't do nothing. For real, I don't do nothing. Why you do this?
Why am I doing? What am I doing?
You arrest the wrong person.
That's not what the other guy said.
But the other guy wants to say whatever he's got to say.
Apparently he's got a cut on him. How do you get a cut on him?
He got what?
A cut.
He got himself. He got himself with them. Look, my never, look, my never don't got blood. Don't got blood. Say.
It is what it is.
He's crazy.
Stop crying and stop screaming.
I can't because you arrested the wrong person.
Prosecutors have charged Jordany Diaz Velasquez with a single count of aggravated battery on a person 65 or older with a deadly weapon. His trial is scheduled for late January 2026. If you'd like to see select new videos early...
Yeah, come on, man. Stop crying. Stop all that crying. I like how that officer said that. Stop all that crying, man. You wasn't crying when you was poking them up. Shit, that's a fact. You was over here giving them the work. Working them. You was over there getting them. What? You wasn't crying then. Don't cry now. It is what it is. You got caught. You know? Damn, and he had a weapon on him. Even if it had or didn't have blood or not, whatever, it still just builds on the case. You know what I mean? Like, oh, this guy does have the potential. He could do these things. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good, man. Tracked him down fairly quickly. Then they got my Amaretto buddy, man. Shit, he was almost the one that was gonna take the charge, boy. They stopped him on the bike. Hey, hold up. You fit the description. Oh Lord, boy. You're like, what? This guy light skin, white skin, you know? Damn. Oh boy, Amaretto, boy. He a rose gold color. God damn, boy. Anyway, man. Yeah, so glad they got him. Yeah, so anyway. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below. I'm giving them 5 out of 5. They did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.